Good morning, seventh graders. Obviously, I'm not here, and this means that I had to go to jury duty. And so that means we are going to take a break from doing the dragster car, just putting a pause on it. And we will come back to it, whether it's cutting wood or finishing it up, wherever you're at. We will finish that as soon as I'm back from jury duty. So what we're going to do today is what our next project is, so that way you will have part of that finished once we get there. And so that's called the Rube Goldberg design notebook, and that's what we're going to be working in next. When I come back and we actually get to this project, I'll explain the project a lot more in detail. But for today, you're just going to be doing task number 1 in your Rube Goldberg project. So to do that, you're going to first go to Schoology. And when you're in Schoology, you're going to see there's a folder called Rube Goldberg. And at the top of that folder is Rube Goldberg Design Notebook. So you're going to click on that for today's assignment. And then it'll look just like your previous design notebooks. And so again, we will go over all of this information. If you don't know what a Rube Goldberg is yet, that's okay. We'll figure it out once I'm back. But for task number 1, it's going to be doing vocab definitions, which you've done before. And so these are the simple machines that you're going to be using in your Rube Goldberg. There are 6 of them, and then a few more vocab words also. So for each one, remember you have to find a definition. Don't just copy and paste from Google. While you may get credit for that, you won't get nearly as high of a grade. So try to put it in your own words, and then find a picture that goes along with that word, an example and non-example, or opposite of whatever that is. So there are several vocab words, and if you get done with task number 1 today, you are in good shape with the Rube Goldberg. You won't have to do makeup work once we actually get there. So be kind today. When I come back, we will pick up on the dragster car.